slow.
Dito kami sa chiropractor,
So
guys.
punished.
Yeah, lahugaw siya tanawon. We just went to the car wash yesterday, but look at the glass. Look at the mirror. Already looks dirty. I said mirror, the window. Anyway, pasok muna kami, guys, kasi kailangan natin ng massage.
Maybe the sub trainer or something.
Maybe. Hello guys, katatapos lang namin sa chiropractor. Ayan, may he just did some adjustment sa aming back. Kasi kapag yung bumabata ka na, madami ka nang nararamdaman. Anyway, this is a nice pond. Big pond over here. I'm gonna take a video. Where are you going?
Looking at this, remember? Wow.
Okay. Para siyang hotel, no? Or it's like a condo.
Stay.
Live stay. Okay. Let me show you this, guys. Okay, water walk, live stay. So, meron na siyang, para siyang hotel. But you have an option to do a like 1 week lease or months, ganun.
Yeah, let me go in there and find out.
Apa.
You want to come in?
Yes.
That's why we look like a family.
Because we are family. Nice siya, guys. Oh, ayan.
Mommy?
This is the kind of stuff that we cannot afford.
Mommy?
Abi. Yeah, this is our apartment, guys. So, joke lang for the jokeness.
Mommy?
Ha? Ito siya dito, guys. Para din siyang hotel. Sage. Cute siya, oh. Scrabble.
Water wall. Butterflies. Too bad I'm already home. Autumn.
Cute siya. Water walk. Huh? It started with the word water walk. This is a nice area, guys. Oh, madaming mga puno dito. Malamig.
You see how everybody is on that 1400?
Exactly.
And ain't no joke.
Yeah. So, they have some apartment units. No, should I say?
1400 a month.
Yeah, and it starts with 1,400 a month, and then for the hotel,
3,000.
3,000. Yeah, that's the starting price. Wow.
And the apartments is about 6
6 months lease.
6-month lease.
Can you please reach it for me? Thank you.
Oh, 6. Alright, we're gonna run to the post office now. Yeah, that's a BO. You can remind me to check that on Google, whatever, when we get home, right?
Opo. Yeah, it's already rush hour na, guys. Oh, look at the cars. Sa amin dito na na lane, okay lang dito na area, pero doon pauwi na yung mga yung mga workers, some of them papuntang St. Augustine, daddy, no? I cannot yeah.
Hollywood, all the way down there.
Definitely not today, Rachel, because oh, by the way, sorry, daddy, there's another Moana. There's a part 2 of Moana, and we want to watch it. I'm not sure if it's already out in the
I don't
movie.
think it's already out yet.
She wants to watch. What's the title of that, Nak?
It's it out to first.
Those are called.
So, nandito tayo sa post office, guys. This is the closest post office to our house. Yan, it's already 5:28 right now. Mag-mail lang kami. They close at 6. So, yeah. Madilim na, oh. Medyo madilim na kasi nag-remove nila yung time. So, supposedly, it's 6:28 right now. And they move the time backwards, daddy, no? Yeah, so 1 hour backwards. Kaya medyo madilim, pero yung time natin is only 5:28. Alright, let's hurry up.
Wait.
Okay.
Alright, so
Balik tayo dito guys. Oh, I'm really looking for some pots and pans with some gold accent like this. Yeah, and I am thinking of getting the ceramic or stainless or ano pa yung isa gani oy na hindi siya yung non-toxic na mga ano pots. So this is ceramic non-stick and it's $31.49. Maliit lang siya. This will be good for us kasi tatlo lang naman kami. Yan, and then meron din dito oh, $26.99. Yeah, I really like them. I was actually thinking if I will just get one from Amazon. Pero hindi ko ito nakita sa Amazon kasi yan, tatanong ko yung sa asawa ko kung okay sa kanya, then I'll get. Okay, yeah, so meron pala silang ganito guys. Oh, so set na siya for only $80.99. So it includes ito malaking pot and then medium and then the small one. Tapos meron siyang ano dito handle. I forgot what you call this lang daw. And then meron pa pang dalawang ano pans. So this, I think this will be good. The same ano siya, the same company siya for their wear. I like this color. This is the latest, you know. This is what I was gonna buy with daddy's approval. And then this one. Pero I think it will be ano
better
voice
set.
station
You got more?
this. You want this or the black one? This one's better, right? If we get, oh no, hindi. $99, $100.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
And then plus this one has an extra pot.
But the
Yeah,
only
nice.
thing I don't like with this, look at the lid. Oh no, it's actually
Oh, it's
covered.
good.
It's
Yes.
yeah. So we'll get this. Okay. Alright. And gusto ko yung pag-gold na
Mommy?
accent.
Can I have the eye mask in here because it don't help me sleep.
Yeah,
Thank
that's why
you.
Daddy's doing that for you. So I guess we're good, Daddy. We're good now. Let me take a photo lang that I can use for my thumbnail. Rachel. Okay, 1, 2, 3.